office of the Speaker to endeavor to order the lives of men, these are the words used, of men in Pakistan in accordance with the injunction of Holy Quran and Sunnah of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. दुनिया में ये वाहिद आइन है जिसमें एक इस्लामी रियासत की बुनियाद प्रीएम्बल के जरिए से रखी गई है। एक और मजहब के मानने वालों का मुल्क बना वो 48 में। This is the most salient feature of this constitution. The rules governing procedure for the election of the Prime Minister of Pakistan as are enumerated in Rule number 33 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly 2007. Are framed under the Constitution. Second, the purpose of framing these rules is only one, that the Constitution be furthered into all sphere of running of the Parliament. Constitution of Pakistan 3. Gives in its preamble that Allah rules the universe and sacred trust of Allah is to be delivered and kept alive by the chosen representatives of the people. Next, preamble is the foundational organ of the Constitution, which enjoins upon all the state organs, including the office of the Speaker.
I just pointed out a legal.
To you, I have agreed already.
It is a right. It is a right.
To you, and
We are not objecting to your right. I am just pointing out where it should be raised.
Take a second. To you, I have already. This is the third time I am agreeing with you.
Thank you.
This is the office which said. This is the office which said that please proceed. We'll record it and give it to the Speaker.
Yes.
If they want to change their mind, I don't mind. If they change their mind, I don't mind.
And my objection, please. Okay,
हम बगैर ऑथराइजेशन के पहले कैसे फिर हो सकते हैं?